Hi, I'm Bev Crair, and today I'm going to tell you about next-generation storage solutions. Software-defined infrastructure is one of the biggest transformations in IT industry today as data centers strive to become more agile and more efficient, and storage is a critical component of that transformation. One of the biggest problems data centers have today is just dealing with the explosion of data and the capacity needed to store all of that data that they have. Important data actually resides not just inside a company, but also outside a company, and you need to be able to go access that, grab it, bring it in, understand it, and then do something with it. So the boundaries of what we're doing with data and the complexity of what we're doing with data are fundamentally changing. The work that cloud service providers have done have really given rise to next-generation storage solutions. They leveraged standard server hardware, they leveraged new network topologies, and open system software that enabled them to scale out and create an agile, effective, and efficient infrastructure to solve their customers' problems. This next-generation storage solution comes under a bunch of different names: hyperconverged, scale-out storage, server-based storage. Really, all of it is software-defined storage. Enterprise IT has seen what cloud service providers have done, and they want that simplicity, they want that scale and agility. Intel's helping drive these next-generation storage solutions by providing optimized hardware, optimized software, and helping create solutions that get next-generation storage out into the market. From a hardware perspective, we continue to provide our optimized CPUs with the platform storage extensions associated with them. We also, of course, have our Intel networking technology, our Intel solid-state drives. We have the Intel Quick Assist technology to help with compression acceleration. And we have the 3D XPoint technology in DIMM form factor and an SSD form factor that's really going to drive a new transformation in the tiering technologies that are available. So we're working to optimize software for storage workloads in a few different ways. One of them is our Storage Performance Development Kit, or SPDK. And basically what it does is it reduces the software latency involved in getting a packet from one place to another. We have Intel Cache Acceleration software that simplifies tiering when you're using a solid-state disk. We have the Intel Intelligent Storage Acceleration Library, basically a set of algorithms that improves the software performance on your systems. SPDK and ISA-L are both available free for license, and we're continuing the path down open sourcing our full SPDK set. In terms of delivering solutions to the industry, it's not just reference architectures and white papers and proofs of concept. We do those things. But it's also about working with storage vendors to do benchmarking and performance testing and validation and pulling all of these solutions together so we can deliver a more effective and easy to deploy solutions to enterprise IT. So there's a number of benefits that next-generation storage solutions provide. From a performance perspective, next-generation storage solutions move data closer to the compute, and it lowers latency for the whole problem. The faster that you can manipulate that data and get a response back to a customer, the more effective that solution is going to be. From a cost perspective, next-generation storage solutions allow you to deliver those solutions just in time. So from an OpEx and a CapEx perspective, you get a choice about how you want to spend your dollars. From an agility perspective, next-generation storage solutions allow you to flexibly manage your infrastructure so that you can put it exactly where it's needed at the time that it's needed. From a scalability perspective, next-generation storage solutions allow you to grow as you need to. Rather than buying a big capacity that you may not need, you can buy just bits in time. And finally, there's reliability. Next-generation storage solutions solve that reliability problem leveraging software and optimized software, rather than just simply depending upon the hardware to be the best it can be. As enterprises continue to grow and continue to try to solve their capacity problem and their business problem, they're still going to need those purpose-built systems for their HR, for their customer relationship management. But the addition of these next-generation storage solutions allow businesses to create new services and new ways of providing value to their end customers. A new way to take that data and add it into this next set of problems that businesses are trying to solve. If you'd like to learn more about Intel's vision for next-generation storage solutions, please visit intel.com/storage.